Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I am picking up where I left off with my Zodiac Makeup series, and today we are going to be doing Virgo. So everything is a little bit sparkly, very pink, very purple, very light and angelic and glowy. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure you subscribe and just keep watching. So to start off this look, I'm going into the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and we are going to go into color Cavity with an angled fluffy brush, and we're just going to kind of create a V shape on our eye. So it's going to go all the way from the crease here all the way over and then across. So I'm just going to kind of sketch it out first, and then we'll really go in and blend it and add the color. Going in with a fluffy dome brush, I am going to go into my Z palette and my Makeup Geek Shadow Masquerade, which is a dark foiled purple, and we're going to pack this in on the empty space between the two pinks. I'm going into this Sinful Colors Shady Babe Cream Eyeshadow Duo, and I'm going to take the purple one here, and I'm just going to take a little bit off the doe foot with a liner brush, and we're going to use this as our eyeliner. Over top of that, I'm going to take a little bit of this white glitter in the shade Daydream. It's just a very iridescent white. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and this is what we're going to use as our brow highlight. Now I'm going to throw on a little bit of mascara. I'm just using the Lash Paradise. Now I'm going to highlight my face with the Sprinkle Town Purple Highlighter. This has been my favorite highlighter as of late. And we're going to put this on almost like it's a blush. I just want this look to be very airy and light, so I'm not going to put on like a really heavy blush. Just going to make it very angelic. So now for my lips, I'm going to use the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in shade Sweet Nothing. It's kind of like a mauvey pinky color. Okay, and this is the finished product for my Virgo Zodiac tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time.